Hello, my name is Sebastian and I'm with the decision science team here at Nextmv. And today I'm going to show you what it's like to work with the Pyomo integration. So right now I am in console on cloud.nextmove.io. Let me just start by creating a new Pyomo app. Just going to call it sample Pyomo. All right, so I have an empty app. It's basically an eggshell with nothing in it. So I'm going to hop on over to my terminal and I'm going to initialize the Pyomo template. So the Pyomo template is a Python application that comes ready to run with an example of how to solve a knapsack problem. And what you can see here on the Python code is that there is a provider that you can pass in to select either CBC or GLPK. Pyomo does not come with any solvers included, but when you run in Nextmove Cloud, these solvers are pre-installed for you. So let me go ahead and push this code to the Nextmove Cloud. And I'm pushing it to my sample Pyomo application. Cool. So my app is now deployed. If I refresh here, we can see that the latest pushed executable was pushed by me, and I can just start running. So I have a sample input here with my knapsack items. I'm gonna run with the CLI for this example. Run to sample Pyomo, that's my application. My input, I'm gonna say that it's in an input.json file. I'm gonna wait for the results and I'm gonna see what happens. All right, so that ran successfully. And the default solver or provider that is included is CBC. I can actually take a look at my run right here, the one that I just made. Should show me the same result. And I'm gonna go ahead and make a different run, but this time I'm gonna give it some options. And I'm gonna say that the provider that I wanna use is GLPK. Just like that, I get the same optimal solution, but I am using a different solver. And again, I can look here in my runs and check my latest run and check that I use a different solver provider. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this. Take care.